So I'm very excited today because we're cooking one of my favorite recipes, which is this Paneer Makhni, which is a creamy Indian tomato curry with the paneer cheese. I can't wait to show you how to prepare it. It's simple, delicious. You've got little ones at home, just go easy on the spice and everybody's gonna love it. Let's get started. Peel and chop the onion, garlic and ginger. Heat a pan over a medium-high heat. Once hot, add the butter and oil. Then fry the onion with a pinch of salt for 5 minutes. Add the garlic, ginger, coriander powder, cumin, garam masala, turmeric, chili powder and tomato paste. Cook for 3 minutes. Add the tomato passata, measured water, vegetable stock cube, cooking cream and cashew nuts. Cover, reduce the heat to low and simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, add the basmati rice, salt and the measured water to a pan with a lid and bring to boil over high heat. Once the water is boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes or until the water is absorbed and the rice is cooked. Remove the pan from the heat and keep covered until serving. Fluff with a fork before serving. Blend the curry until smooth with a handheld blender, or in my case, with a food processor. If the sauce looks too thick, add a splash of water. Slice the paneer cheese into cubes and add them to the pureed curry. Bring to a boil, then cook for 2 minutes. Season to taste. Serve the curry over the rice and garnish with the chopped coriander. Bon appétit! Garlic, ginger, cumin, onion, garam masala, chili, all these amazing spices from India in one plate in a creamy, rich sauce. I can't wait to dig in. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel to watch any of our other curry or other recipes. You can always find them here, but for now, enjoy, bon appetit.